Hi, this is the Defender 22 meter LED fully encapsulated Festoon lighting kit, and this particular one is the 240 volt that comes in the 13 amp with a domestic plug. It's also available in the 110 volt with a 16 amp plug. What I'm going to do, unbox it, put it all on, set it up and show you some of its features. Okay, so here we have it. We've got the Festoon kit set up and on now. As you can see here, we've got 10 modules, and each one is 2 meters apart. And you can see they've got specifically designed with really easy fit fixing points here. You can see the 2 holes there each side, so you can screw it into something, or clip it in, or cable tie it into something, or to hold it up in position wherever you need it. They're obviously, being LED, really efficient, and they're really safe as well. So because they've got these diffused fronts on them as well, then there's no glass and there's no heat that you would typically get with a Festoon kit of old. These are great units, really popular, and this one is the 22 meter version. So if you want to get yourself one of these, click the link below.